Here we are again. We're making ramen today. Look at that broth. Seafood curry. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a spicy sweet curry seafood ramen dish. For the seafood I used the paella pack. It's got octopus, shrimp, squid, clams, and I bought some nice looking little stone crab claws, fresh Gulf shrimp, and some seafood stock. The veggies, I need a large diced tomato, half a large diced onion, cilantro stems diced, 4 cloves of garlic, about a thumb-sized piece of ginger shredded, and 2 carrots shredded. Now let's get into the spices. Here's what we're going to need to kick it up. You can get all this at any Asian store. I'm using ramen. They're just plain ramen noodles. Hot pepper paste. Coconut cream, or you can use coconut milk. Instant tom yum soup base, gives it a tamarind flavor. Sambal Oelek, hot sauce, this is some good stuff. Garam Masala, yellow curry powder, sesame seed oil, canola oil to sweat the veggies. Let's start cooking. Let's go. Crank the fire up to high. A few teaspoons of olive oil, sweat some veggies. Let that warm up. Onions and carrots in first. Sweat down the onions and carrots first, then add the rest of the vegetables. Sweat those veggies down a few minutes, stir them up. You're almost roasting them at this point. You can smell them coming out of there. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon yellow curry powder. You can add a little bit more if you like curry like I do. Mix that up, and the flavor, the smells just explode in the house. Alright, we're going to fry those spices just a few minutes. This is really hot and dry. It might not look like it, but you'll see when I put a liquid in here. Alright, 1 heaping tablespoon of the tom yum paste. Tom yum. Yum yum. Time for the shrimp broth. Alright, we're going to bring that up to a boil. We'll be back. We want to let this cook down until it's almost a paste. Concentrate those flavors. And it'll cook all those veggies down. It'll thicken up the gravy. You'll see what I mean whenever we serve the final plate. Here's what we're looking for. Nice, chunky, thick paste. All those flavors cooked down. It smells wonderful in here. We're going to add the tomatoes. And we're going to add a heaping tablespoon this hot pepper paste. It's not that hot. It looks hot. It's not that hot. Trust me, just add it. Trust me, trust me. I wouldn't lie to you. It's going to be spicy, but it's not going to be that bad. See that? That hot pepper paste cooled down the whole pot. I told you it wasn't that hot. Alright, we're going to let those tomatoes cook down a little bit. Time to add some more flavor. Look at that paste. Oh my God, is that going to be good. Oh! I know what y'all thinking. It's going to be hot, but it's really not that hot. That pepper paste is mild. It even says so on the label. Alright. Coconut cream. Make sure you get the cream part too. The cream. A little water in there. Nothing but flavor. Flavor. Ooh, look at that. Alright. Don't forget the hot sauce. We got to make it hot. Look, just one little tablespoon. Just one. Oh, look at that beautiful color. Curry color. We're going to simmer that a few minutes before we do the seafood dump. Two minutes. I'm ready for the dump. It's boiling. It's hot. It's nice and thick. Just the way I want it. All those veggies broke down to make that gravy. Look at that. You could dip bread in there and just eat it like that. Shrimp in. Don't worry about cooking shrimp too long. It all adds part of the flavor. Crab legs. Claws, whatever you want to call them, in veggies. Didn't look like that many veggies, that much seafood in a plate, did it? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Man, is that going to be good. Man, is that gonna be good. Alright. We have to add a little bit of water to this. I got 2 cups in here. Two cups, stir it up. Let it come to a boil, simmer it for 5-10 minutes. Let all that seafood soak in that flavor. After 15 minutes of simmering, I'm going to kill this fire. Stir it up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's looking right, looking right. I'm going to let this cool a few minutes while I go chop up some green onions and some cilantro. Throw in that ramen. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, alright. The time has come. It's time to eat. Got my little plate of ramen right here. We'll add us a little gravy on there. Oh, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Some crab. You gotta have some of that gravy. And all that seafood on there. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's go over here to the counter right here. See what we got right here. Well, first off, we're gonna need a little bit of cilantro on there. Some green onions. Gotta top it off with some fresh veggies. Maybe a little bit more cilantro. And a little bit more of that Sambal hot sauce. See what we got right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can you see that? See that shrimp? Is that too close? Oh, that was good. Spicy. Ugh. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's right. So there y'all go, guys. You need to try this. At least once. At least one time. Cook this once, you'll be hooked, I swear. Alright. I'm gonna go kill this plate. Y'all like the video, subscribe, click that bell. Let me know what y'all want me to cook. I'll cook anything, it doesn't matter.